After you sign up for Microsoft 365 Business, you'll want to copy your existing work files to OneDrive for Business. OneDrive is a good place to store personal work files or sensitive business files that you want to control access to. Let's get started. From Windows, select Start. Search for OneDrive and choose it. Enter your work email address, select Sign In, then Next. Go through the tutorial. Then select Open My OneDrive folder. If you also use the personal version of OneDrive, you'll see it here. Go to the files you want to copy, select them, then drag and drop them into your OneDrive folder. Blue arrows beside your files mean that they are syncing to the cloud. When they are done syncing, green check marks are displayed. In addition to working on your OneDrive files locally, you can also access them from your web browser. Sign into Office.com with your work email and choose OneDrive. All of your files are here, and you can work on them in the browser from any computer.